Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I will show you how to use equations, figures, and tables. Okay. First of all, I will show you how to insert equation, then figure, and then table. Okay. There are many ways to insert an equation. You can use direct equation environment in MS Word, or you can put an equation from a math type. Math type is an um, uh, equation software that you can write an equation there and uh, use equations you use that equation here. Okay, that is a little tricky, but this way you can use an equation easily. Uh, Here in MS Word, you can go to the insert tab, then go to equation. Okay, put in equation here. When you click on equation, it will open up an equation environment. Here you can write an equation here. Secondly, if you don't want this environment, then you can uh, click on here, the drop down menu, and you can see multiple predefined equations. But if you don't want these equations, then you can put an uh, modified or your customized equation. So let me put this predefined equation here. It's a quadratic formula, so let me click on it. Okay, yeah, I have it now. What if I want to write this equation, this quadratic formula, in a customized way, right? Just go to the insert tab, then equation, right? Then, okay, how can I write this? Let me show you. X equals to the right hand side is minus b, and here you can see that these are some symbols. You can use this one, plus minus, and then come to the radicals. In radicals you can use this one, square root. So here b square minus 4 ac and 2a. Okay, sorry, 2a. Okay, so this is a quadratic formula which you can solve um, quadratic equation, this formula. Okay, this was an equation. Now, how to insert a figure? It's These things are easy. Okay, so let me choose it. Let me put a figure here, and I will come back. I have used this figure here. Let me remove the. This is a test figure, but I will show you how to insert caption, and then okay, let me remove this caption. Okay, this was this is a figure. This one is good. Now, how to insert a table? Let me show you how to insert a table. So here, just if you have multiple columns, you can use, for example, let me put 4 columns and 6 rows. So just this is my table, but this is a simplest one. You can come here and okay, uh, this one maybe, or maybe this one, I don't know, this one. Okay, for example, this is number, this is name, this is ID, this is phone number. Okay, so this is 1 2 3 4 and 5. So let me format this real quickly. Okay, this will be at the left. Okay, this one will be at the center, and this one also be at the left. Okay, this one is good. Now if you can see that these things have no captions. Okay, captions, and in this case in the question we see that there is no equation number, and we have to have, sometimes we have to have equation number. That is really important. Okay, so in now these are covered. Now in this in the question section I will show you some more things. Okay, if you don't want to come here, insert, and then click this one, and you can do, for example, alt button plus plus. Okay, plus means this plus means that you have to hold alt, then click a plus button, right? Plus button means a button with the backspace. Okay, so it's a plus plus. It, when you click it, it will open up the equation environment directly and easily. So this is just a real quick shortcut in MS Word. Okay. For equation, what I do normally is insert a three column and one row table. Okay. Okay. Now just drag this column here and drag this here. Okay. Now drag and drop here, this one here. Now this is the previous thing we had, but you can, what you can do with this is just click on here, come here, no bother, the same thing. Okay, the same thing, but let me show you something else. All border. Now come here. Okay, so when you come here, this box is for a caption. Caption means, for suppose this is my equation 2, and this one is equation 1. See how good it is. This one, it is a very simple way to write a caption for this equation. Caption means equation number, sorry. Okay, but here if you can see that it's not a good way to write equation number, so just remove this. Okay, and click here, just remove this, and what you can do is okay, insert, no, uh, insert caption. Insert caption, if you can see that a label is a table category, so it's not a table, it's an equation. Though I have put this equation in the table, but in this case it is not a equation, sorry, table, it's a equation. So what I can do is to make it equation and click OK. Now see here, you can see that just we have put in a equation number here. Now just cut that from there and put it here, and round braces here. Now it will count uh, as equation, not a table, and it, and there will be a list of equation. If you can see, there will be a list of equations. Let me show you in the for after this. Okay, okay, so now this is okay, but let me make it a little more uh, format, a good format. Okay, and center it. Just come here, remove the border. See how good look it is. Okay, now just remove this one because these are the same things, and see how good it is. So now format it. If you want to make it 10 pt, 10 pt. Okay, see. Okay, the next one, you don't need to do this process again for your next equation in any other section or in this section. For example, I want to put a new equation. Okay, a new equation, but I have to use the same idea, so just copy and paste here. Okay, suppose I want to write a new equation. I want to write a new equation. I want to write a new equation, suppose this one. So this is my equation. Okay, just cut from here and put it here, right? See. Okay, now how to update it? Let me show you. Let's remove that. In the same way, insert caption equation. You can also do, no, no, you can't. So okay, this the equation 2. Just paste here. It is now equation 2 in the same way as this one. So just format it, make it 10 pt. See how uh, organized these are. It will These equations are now in a list of equations. Okay, these are not separate equations, means in the continuation. Okay, I think now this one is easy. The next thing is that how to put this uh, how to put a caption to the figure. So the same way, click right on this figure, insert caption. If this is a figure, just make it a figure. If you want to write a figure at the bottom, just click below selected item, means we have selected this figure is below this one, figure. Okay, so below figure and okay. Now just write something here. We can write student engagement count. Let me write here student engagement count. Okay, and make it like this. If you have any kind of format, then you can format it. For example, make it like this, times new Roman 10 pt, 10, 10 pt. Okay, so this is a caption to a figure. If you want to put an, a new figure and a new caption, okay, just do the same way, right? Just do the same process. The next thing is a table. Okay, a table. So we have put a table here, right? Click on this icon, right click, insert caption. In some cases we have a caption above or below the table, but I will put above the table. But this is not figure, this is a table, so it is a table 1. It is a table 1. You can also customize these captions in your own way. So but I will ignore that and go on here. See. Okay, okay. Table. Here is a dummy table for for the demonstration. Okay, just click on it, permit like this. Or if you want to put on the left, you can do it. Okay, one thing, if you want to refer these this table, the figure and the equation, you can do it easily. How? Okay, uh, suppose in the equation, now we will uh, refer this equation here. Okay, now how can I do it so that uh, it can be uh, a link, it can be a link to this equation. Okay, not just a simple or just a normal text, but a link. How can we do it? Reference and come to a cross reference. Okay, now we have several things here, but what we have used in equation, because see, we had two equations. I didn't do it here. It just these are automatic things. So I have choose equation, then which equation I want to refer here. So let me put equation 1. Okay, then insert, close. But if you, okay, the next thing, this was equation 1, but before this you have to write your own word equation. If you want to do it automatically, okay, just remove it and come here, cross reference, equation 1, caption. Here what you can see here is that only label and number, only caption text, page number above or below, entire caption means that if there is a text, okay, it will appear the whole text. But what I can do here is in the label and number. Label means equation and number means equation number. So I will choose this one and insert. No, wait. Label, caption, only caption text. I think no. I think I have made a mistake. Question. No, I do. I think I have made a mistake. So just for this case, use the cross reference. It works fine, but I don't know what mistake I have made. Okay, so equation 1 and the uh, entire caption, okay, entire caption, this one. So you can write equation 1. The next thing is that if you want to write the equation 2, cite equation 2, then equation 2. Okay, equation 1 and 2. Similarly, if we need to refer uh, figure, we can do this the same way. Now, okay, let me put a figure here, reference to a figure. So cross reference figure, okay, entire caption. Do we need the whole thing? Figure 1 student engagement count, or label and number. Label and number means figure and one. It will be label and one. See, it works, but I don't know why that doesn't work. Figure one. So it is a the whole the caption and number. So, we can also do the same way for the table. So and the table is the same thing as equation, and here we have a table. Okay, what's the reference table? Okay, entire caption. No, we don't need entire caption. Only label and number. Label and number. See, label and number. Let's select this times the Roman 10 pt and see. Okay, now we have put equation, numbers, figures, and table. Now what we can do is, I think these are enough for today. Okay, let me do one thing more. Um, I think I can do insert insert a table of figures. See, if you want to insert a table of figures, just come to references tabs and you will see here. Okay, let me just only show you how to put a table to figures, because sometimes we need a table to figures. Okay, so okay, see, this is the caption, and here we have a caption here in the table list, and then just right here list of tables, right? And here is your list. If you want to go to that table from here, uh, hold control and then click on the mouse button. Here you have table. Now if you want to go from here to the equation, this okay, I don't know why it doesn't work, but if you save this file as a PDF file, then it will work fine. Okay, it will work fine. I think there is nothing more. So okay, for today, thank you so much. And uh, if you need to ask for something, you can just comment on the video, and I will make new tutorials for you and guide you how to do more scientific things, or organize things, manage some things. Then I will show you. Okay, goodbye.